Ndewo ndị be anyị abịakwala m ọzọ. M chọrọ ka anyị mee correction. Asụgo m ngili Igbo. Achọrọ m ka anyị nye ọsịsa ọrụ a nyere unu mgbe mbụ. Okay? Ka anyị bido. Past participle. Okay? To dance, to Igba, to dance, Igba, high mate, to dance. So, agbala m egwu, agbala egwu. I have danced. Igbala egwu, igbala egwu. You have danced. Ogbala egwu. Ogbala egwu. He, she, or it has danced. Unu agbala egwu. Unu agbala egwu. You have danced. Okay? Ha agbala egwu. Ha agbala egwu. They have danced. Anyị agbala egwu. Anyị agbala egwu. We have danced. Kedu unu mere? Kedu ka unu mere? Ọ na-agakwa obuzo egwu? Ọ na-agakwa? Okay. Ka anyị mebezie nke ọzọ. Ka anyị mezie nke ọzọ. Okay? Ọ dị mma. Ikwu. Kwuolam okwu. I have spoken. No, I have talked. I have spoken. To say, use your words, using your words. So, I have talked or I have spoken. Is that clear? Ikwuola okwu. Ikwuola okwu. No dot. O kwuola okwu. He or she or it has spoken. Unu ekwuola okwu. You, plural, have spoken. Ha ekwuola okwu. Anyị, ha, they have spoken. Anyị ekwuola okwu. So, when we make sentences in Igbo, like I said in the past videos, the structure sounds something like Anyị ekwuola okwu. We have spoken words. In English, we have spoken is a complete sentence, but in Igbo, you have to say what you did. So that's the now explaining this verb here. Did you get these answers when you did the homework? What do you think? What did you understand, or what did you pick up, or what did you notice? Did you notice this, that the plural sentences all had an extra E as a prefix? Coming over here, they have, sorry, this is not part of it. Starting here, they have a on this side for the heavy vowels. This vowel here is heavy, and that's why we have a heavy vowel here, and that's why we have a. A is a heavy vowel, a is a light vowel. Have a nice day. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, okay? Thank you.